Okay, bud, here we go. Here's going to be your first project here for the gym. So I'm going to send you a link to MindBody. This is our gym management software over here. And then I'm going to send you the spreadsheet fit attendance analysis. What we're going to do is we're going to pull some reports to be able to start really analyzing what people are doing when they're coming here so we can analyze our departments. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come up here to reports. It may well be a tab when you're in full screen. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to attendance with revenue. And in this case, I think it's actually in clients. No, I'm not sure where your attendance with revenue. It'll be in here in sales. So you go to attendance with revenue. And we're going to start at the most recent week. So in this spreadsheet, let's freeze these real quick so that we, oops. I think I do it this way. There we go. Okay. So we're going to do the last completed week. It's always going to be Sunday through Saturday. So you're going to come in here. It'll be Sunday the 12th through Saturday the 18th. And we're going to do the attendance first, and then I'll show you how to do gym membership at week start because it's a little more complicated. So what you're going to do is you're going to leave this all on all. You're going to leave this on service category, and you're going to hit go. And it's going to take a minute because it's a fairly complicated report. Let's see, it's pretty long. It does tend to doesn't really freeze up, but it kind of lags here for a minute while it runs everything. You'll see my Firefox even actually goes to non-responding while it's doing it. Because it turns out to be a very big page and a very big report. So we'll wait here for a second. Well, come on. Okay, so here we go. Here's our report. Now, what it's going to do, no, it's still thinking. There we go. Okay, so what it's going to do is show all memberships, and it's going to show these arrivals. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, and you're going to see that it's going to be probably most of the way down here before it starts going out of arrival. So this is basically every time one single person shows up at our gym and punches in. So what we do is we come down here and keep scrolling. You'll see it keeps saying arrival, arrival, arrival. Okay, so scroll down here. Ooh, there we go. There's the end of arrivals. So total for all memberships, what you're going to do is in total gym attendance, you're going to go right here and you're going to go equals 1366 plus 109. And what that is, no, actually, pardon me, we just want 1366. Okay, so 1366. Yep, and that'll actually go here as well. I don't know why I'm doing that. Just go ahead and, oops. I don't know why that is in date mode, so we'll make sure that these are not in date mode. Make sure they're in number mode, 1366. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start looking at our classes. Okay, so next group fitness is body step. So what you'll do is you'll come over here to body step, and we're on row 41. So actually, see if we can freeze this pane this way to make it a little easier for us too. Well, okay. Shoot, sorry, bud. Hang on. I'm gonna go ahead and refreeze. We're gonna freeze top. There we go. Okay. So, well, you know what? Let's just put it like right here. Okay. So we know we need to go. So body step. What you're gonna do is here's body step. We know when you put it in the first one, we're gonna equal. And we're gonna come down here to paid is 7. Okay. And then we're gonna go to the next one. Now, there's going to be more than one body step. So we're going to make this cell have a addition of all the ones that are in here. So like we're going to go down here and we're going to go to RPM next. Okay, so body step, and you see this is RPM right here. So we scroll down to the bottom of this RPM class, and it's 22. So now we find RPM in this list. Go ahead and hit enter here for the moment. So we're going to find RPM. They're in alphabetical order. So we're going to go equals 22 and enter for the moment. Then we're going to come down here and do body pump. Okay. So we come down here and it's 15. We're always going to use the paid. Well, no, for this, we're going to use paid and comps. Okay. So we're going to come back here to body pump. We're going to go equals 16 because there was a total of 16 in this class, 15 plus 1. Okay. And this is body combat, and it's 7. So we'll come back over here, equals 7. And then cycle, there was 8 right there, see? So we're going to come over to cycle, equals 8. And then we're going to go to body pump. So we've got another body pump class. So this body pump class had 26 in it, see? So that's 25 plus 1. So we're going to come back here to our formula here, and we're going to go equals plus 26. So now what we're going to see is that we've had 42 people in body pump this week so far in our reporting. Brain and body wellness. I'm going to come over here. Oh, there it is right there. So that one is 7. So right there it's 7. Enter. Body attack is next. So we got body attack, paid 5, body attack equals 5. And then gentle yoga is next. Gentle yoga was 8. So we're going to find gentle yoga. Gentle yoga is 8. And then we're back to another body pump. This one had 7. So we go back to, oh shoot, I got us off course here. So let's cut these. Okay, so let's put this body pump in here while we're right here. Plus 7. And go ahead and get these all back on the right line here. And this will be easier once you start kind of going back up, because we're going to start at the most recent and go backwards. Okay, there we go. So now we know what line we should be on. Okay, so we just did this body pump. Now we're going to go to spin. There was 3 and 1 is 4. So we're going to go over here to spin in alphabetical order equals 4. And it'll be fine if it ends up just staying that way if we only had one of those classes. We got another body pump. So that is 9. And another plus 9. RPM, we have another 7. RPM plus 7. Eccentrics Apprentice, we have 11. Eccentrics Apprentice equals 11. And then we have Senior Workout, we have 5 equals 5. Then we have another cycle class, we have 6. Cycle. We have another 6. And then we have body step. We have another 5. Body step plus 5. 55 and fit. We have 7. So 55 and fit equals 7. CX works here. We have 2. And then we have another body pump. Are you catching a pattern here, bud? We have 12. And then we have power hour, which is a spin class, but it is its own. So it's 14. Then we have body attack. Body attack. We have another 7. Pilates, we have 1. Zumba, we have 4. Cycle, we have 9. Body combat, we have another 2. RPM, we have 4. Getting sick of hearing my voice yet, bud? That's 4. Excuse me. We have another body pump. We have 17. Body flow, we have another 3. Hatha Vinyasa Yoga, we have 5. Now, one thing I will tell you, as you start going back, you won't always have a number in every one of these as you start going back, because we haven't always had all of these classes. And there will come a point, probably July, August of last year, where you'll see nothing comes up because we weren't using our attendance. So don't worry about that. Just stop when you get to the point where there's none there. Zumba Gold is 9. Excuse me. Zumba Gold equals 9. Body pump again, had 4. Body pump plus 4. Body step, 9. And we have cycle again with 17. Cycle 17. Another body pump. 7 and 1 is 8. And then another body combat is 16. Body pump 16. Sorry, I'm getting a couple messages from some folks. Okay, RPM is 13. Another body pump is 8. Okay, Eccentric's Apprentice is 9. Cycle is 7. Senior workout is another 10. Body attack, let's see, is 10. CX works 7. Brain and body wellness again is 11. Body pump is another 17. Okay. Body step is another 3. RPM is 5. Pilates is 2. CX works is another 2. Oops. Zumba is another 6. Cycle is another 6. Grit cardio is 6. CX works is another 7. Cycle is 8. Mixed strength is 6. Oops. Another body pump is 16. And then another combat is 6. 55 and fit is another 3. Body flow is 6. Body pump is another 3. CX works is another 6. Cycle, another 16. And then we have combat at 7. Zumba Gold, 61 is 7. 601 is 7. Body pump is 4. Cycle is another 14. Body pump is 19. Body attack is 3. Flow yoga is 8. Flow yoga equals 8. Ananda yoga is 5. Body pump is another 5. Okay, so that's all our group fitness. Then you're going to see hydro massage is a new category. So we're going to come down here and scroll down to the end of hydro massage. And we had 10 paid hydro massages. So we're going to come over here to hydro massage and put 10. Kids Club, you will always skip Kids Club. Member tea times is the next one. You'll see that's right here. So we'll scroll down, get the total number of member tea times. That's 4, but I don't know if that's going to be the number we want. Then we have non-member tea times. We're going to scroll down and get that number. 10. Personal training appointments. We're going to add all of these up. Personal training. Let me look at this real quick. You're going to want to add total comp and total paid for 17. Actually, you know what? We're going to go 7 and 10. This is going to be personal training paid, and this will be personal training comped. Okay. So, oh, here we go. This is what I want. Total arrivals is the 1366. Total gym attendance, pardon me, is this 1948. Total gym attendance is 1948. There we go. So that's that, okay? Now, I'm actually going to add something here real quick, and I'll have this ready, but so we're going to have to kind of, so this is 55 and fit, and this is going to be total attendance. And then this one's going to be 55 and fit, total classes. So what I want you to do, and I'll have all these columns ready, but you're going to go in here, and there were 2. So there are 2 numbers here, so there were 2 classes, okay? And then I'm going to have all these done for you before I send you this. But this will be Ananda Yoga total classes. And this will be Ananda Yoga total attendance. Okay? And so then what we'll do is in this, there's 1. So we'll have 1, because this is going to let me do averages. So there might be another column in here, but you'll understand that. So I'll have those all done. And then the one other thing that we're going to do is I'm going to have you do a membership report. And that'll be on this second sheet. So this will be, we're going to rename this attendance. And this we're going to rename membership. Okay. So we're going to pick the date at the start of the week. So 2/12. So we're going to come over here. We're going to do week start. And I'll make sure that these are all in here upside down for you. But we'll just put it right here for right now. 2/12/2017. And then here's what you're going to do. You're going to go in here to reports. And then in clients, there's membership. You'll click on that. And you want to pick compare past dates. because otherwise it runs today's. And you're going to put in start date of the date on your thing, so 12/2017, okay? And you're going to do this. You're going to hit generate. Now, you're going to see there's two rows of numbers here, right? Oh, sorry, this should be 2/12/220. Oh, it hasn't run today's yet. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to copy all those numbers in here, and then all total is 850. Fit household membership is 9. Start wrapping these. Sorry, I'm kind of building this as I go because I'm thinking of extra things that I want you to do. So let's wrap text. Make that a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to fit student. That'll be 23. Then we'll have corporate. And that'll be 6. We'll have employees. And that'll be 72. Fit, student military. 4. Senior, 12. Standard, 57. VIP, 1. Free trial is 84. Kids Club is 11. Kids Club Volunteer is 34. Legacy Senior is 29. Legacy Standard is 431. Punch Card Membership is 57. Silver and Fit is 29. And Sponsored Athletes is 7. Okay, and once you do all that, I'll set it up so that it does all the math and everything I need, and it'll have it put a number back here. So actually, you know what, let's just do this. Control C. Oops, let's go over here. I think I can insert. Well, I'll get all those dates in, don't worry about that, so that you're ready to go. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to run all those reports. So the second one, so that's one row out of these rows we need to do going backwards. So then you'll start this next row. To do this next row, you'll go back to reports. You'll run the attendance with revenue report like we did before. You're going to change the dates to 2502/05/2017 and 05/11/2017. And then, whoops, their software just hiccuped, so let me refresh that real quick and all. Okay, there we go. So 2/5/2017 through 02/11/2017. Service category, boom, generate. And it's going to generate a long time again. And you're going to fill all those out. And then you're going to count up those total classes. And then you'll run that membership report. So that's everything you need for right now. And we'll kind of get that done as soon as we can. And then I'll start analyzing the data. So thanks a lot. If you have any questions, obviously, shoot me an email, send me a message, whatever. Thanks a lot, bud.